Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to add users and staff members to your Shopify store. Giving team members the right permissions helps us manage our store more efficiently while keeping our data secure. Let's go through how to set up a staff account. On the Shopify dashboard, click on Settings. You can find it in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Go ahead and click it. Once we're there, click on Users. This is where we add people so we can give our staff members access to the store. We can manage our store and set roles for each person, whether that's a point of sale user or an admin. We just need to select the right role. For example, we might choose a point of sale user. For the first option, click next to the roles. From there, we can select cashier or sales associate. Then we set the permissions for that user. Just decide what each person should be able to do in the store. Once we're happy with that, we can add more staff members if needed. We can keep going until all permissions are set for each person. When we're done, just click Save. And that's how we add users and staff members to our Shopify store. Managing staff accounts properly keeps things running smoothly and keeps our store secure.